From supporting a healthy inflammatory response to promoting the health of your brain, cardiovascular, and immune systems, it's no wonder medical experts have touted the benefits of curcumin for generations. But how can you tell a worthwhile supplement from a bargain basement one? Let's dig right in and find out. First thing to know, curcumin is one of a few curcuminoid compounds found in the spice turmeric. But don't be fooled by how much turmeric a supplement contains. To get the most benefits, you need one that's concentrated. An easy way to tell? Look at how much curcumin you get per dose. The next thing to look at is how easily your body is able to absorb and distribute it. Why is this important? Well, curcumin easily binds with other compounds, which can impact how much gets into your bloodstream. Less in the bloodstream means fewer benefits for you. So look for a formula that promotes higher bioavailability. Harvesting and manufacturing processes are important to consider as well. Luckily, with a little research, it's easy to find a supplement that not only avoids harsh chemical extractions, but is sourced ethically and sustainably. Want to dig a little deeper? Discover more about curcumin's benefits and so much more on our blog, the Life Extension Wellness Guide. Visit lifeextension.com/wellness today.